Welcome to Catalina Treats Gluten-Free Kitchen. I'm Jessie and I'm here with my friend and neighbor and doTERRA consultant, Nina. And we're making fruit salad.
Yay!
We're making a special fruit salad using doTERRA essential oils to make a glaze with honey.
I am so excited.
Me too.
I love cooking with my oils, so this is going to be really tasty.
Yeah, if you've never tried lime oil, that's one that,
Makes everything fresh. It just gives it that fresh taste. Mm-hmm. It's really, really good.
So we're just doing a simple fruit salad, and I'm going to start mixing those ingredients together. We've got some chopped up oranges, and of course strawberries, lots of strawberries. We're using 4 different oils. Tell them about what oils we're going to use.
We're going to use lemon as one of our oils. Lemon is very fresh. It's very clean tasting. It helps detoxify the body. But doTERRA's lemon essential oil is very potent, and it's kind of like sunshine in a bottle. It brightens your mood just smelling it right from the bottle. So lemon is number 1 that we're going to use, and then we talked a little bit about lime.
We've got some apples, and when we put this oil onto the fruit salad, it'll help to keep everything from oxidizing also.
Yes, keep it from turning. So, like I said, the lime is, all the citrus oils detoxify the body. They help make things fresh and clean. And they're just wonderful to add and into your recipes.
So we've got oranges, strawberries, blueberries, pear, and banana. Just a simple fruit salad that pretty much can be made any time of year very easily.
We're also adding tangerine. And then doTERRA has vanilla absolute from Madagascar. And it is wonderful. I cook with it all the time. In replacement, if I don't have vanilla, I use this. So
I've got about 1/4 cup of honey and a little bit of water, and I'm mixing the honey with the water just to make it into that glaze so it can pour easily. And
a couple of drops of each. You think that'd be too much?
No, I think that would be good. So lemon,
that's the lime. And then here we have tangerine.
And that's got a little more color to it.
Ooh,
it smells so good.
Love it, love it. I've added that to frosting.
Oh, wow.
And we're going to add a couple of drops of our vanilla.
And you've added these to cookies too, haven't you?
Yes.
You've made cookies with the oils?
I've made cookies. I add it to lots of recipes.
Also putting in a little sea salt.
Yeah.
With our new sea salt shaker that I love.
It's so cool.
So, this smells so good. It smells so fresh.
doTERRA goes to that extra length to make sure that these oils are safe for us to take internally. So, and all of these are safe to take internally. Not every oil is safe to take internally.
A lot of the tree oils are not, right?
Right.
Like the birch or cedar, those kind of things, they're not safe.
Wintergreen is not meant to be taken internally.
But all of these citrus oils are okay.
And I love to put them in my water. If you don't like drinking water, using citrus oils in your water is a great way to get over that just plain water taste and to have some flavor.
So here's our simple fruit salad. We're going to give it a try. Go ahead.
Get me a piece of everything.
I'm going to try strawberry and banana.
That's heavenly.
Oh my gosh.
That's heavenly.
That's awesome.
The right ratios. I wouldn't do any more oils, but I wouldn't do any less either.
I wouldn't do any less honey either.
Mm-mm.
That's really, really good.
That is really good. Wow.
And just enough salt to bring out the rest of those flavors too.
Exactly.
So check out Nina's website. I'll link it in the description box. And also check out the new Meta PWR, Meta Power. It's a new collagen. Yeah. It's great.
The new metabolic system. So
thanks for joining me, Nina. I really appreciate it, and this is really good.
My pleasure. Thank you.
Please like our video, subscribe to our channel, and share this with your friends and family. We're always creating great new recipes at Catalina Treats Gluten-Free Kitchen.